Friends, this is what Central Park looks like in the dead of winter. No snow on the ground. It's December 22nd, 2025. We're going to walk down Fifth Avenue and see if we can find any stores and what the stores look like. The sun is just set. It's about 4:45. Sun sets at 4:30 these days. And actually the days are getting longer now. Summer's on its way back. And we're going to walk down Fifth Avenue. This is Fifth Avenue. And it's adjacent to Central Park.
Certification through the ICF, the International Coaching Federation, but it's through American University. And there were about 18 people in my cohort. 60 people would be doing.
Time for an advertisement while we're walking down. We have a product we're trying to market as best possible to you. I hate to do commercials, actually, but we do not live by YouTube revenue alone. So at the end of this video, you'll find a place where you can get the Amazon link to buy the DIY trust kit, Living Will. The Living Will is a trust. It's how the rich people have been protecting themselves for years. You'll see it's a beautiful blue cover, and the code's together at the end of this video. You scroll down to the end of the video, you'll see it. $19.99, available on Amazon, free shipping, and you'll get it probably in 1 or 2 days at the longest. Look at that food truck, food cart. I have a remembrance of hot dog stands not looking like that. Now they all have generators. It's getting dark. It's going to be exciting. This video is being brought to you by Gary's Tours. It's in 4K, 60 frames per second, which is the best color rendition you can get. And if you like this kind of walking tour in New York City, please like and subscribe. Thank you. This is what the headquarters of the Central Park looks like, decorated for Christmas. They put up green lights, have a big tree in the window, and a big wreath on the door. YouTubers, there's the Catholic League putting out some Christmas statue and nativity scene. And there's a big Hanukkah candle. And behind that is the world famous Plaza Hotel from the Christmas movie Home Alone. We're starting our tour of Fifth Avenue around Christmas time. It's December 22nd. And we're going to see what the store windows look like at this time of year. There's the Apple store across the street. Don't worry about what's expensive. Guess we can cross. He's coming to hit us. Yep, he's gonna try to hit us. He wants to hit us. So you can sense the excitement from the crowd as Christmas is getting close. First store we come to is Bergdorf Goodman. Someone has a huge, beautiful, color-changing snowflake in the middle of Fifth Avenue. People shopping. People out shopping and getting their Final Christmas presents. Streets are crowded. This is brought to you by Gary's Tours. Please subscribe and like. We're recording it in 4K, 60 frames per second, which is the best you can do. There's Bergdorf Goodman's store. Ah, here's a beautiful window to look at. What do we see here?
Back to the window.
Isn't that beautiful? Beautifully decorated. People coming and looking at the Bergdorf Goodman windows. There's another. That's a cool dress for New Year's Eve. How about that? Yeah, Bergdorf Goodman dress for New Year's Eve. Here's another beautifully decorated window. Look at this. A lot of detail on that window. That looks like a New Year's Eve celebration window, I would say. They're really doing, here's another window with a really cool dress for New Year's Eve. Or maybe St. Patrick's Day. Hard to say. Yet another beautiful Bergdorf Goodman window. Actually sit home and see all these things because I'm bringing them to you. You don't have to face the crowd, get bounced about. You can sit on your couch, have a glass of wine, and look at all the beautiful stores. Abercrombie and Fitch, you just passed. There's a beautifully decorated store.
No, it wasn't that.
Sorry. Get this guy through. Advanced City Electric. Needs. Look at the glass in that building. Isn't that beautiful? Looks like a work of art. And what a beautiful display on that building.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Whoever owns that's really into Christmas, I'd say. We can go. I'd say they're into Christmas. You're not going to get $3, so. Let's see what store that is. Place called Skype stuff, yes. It says Skype is the name of the store.
And I was like,
There's some of that glass close up. Is that cool? New block? and tag, great watching. I think my son has a tag watch. There is St. Patrick's Cathedral at night. This is Victoria's Secret. So if you don't like crowds, this is not the place to come. Yep, that's St. Patrick's Cathedral. Built in about 19, I think. I'm not sure. If you search Gary's Tours website, you'll see we did a video going all through St. Patrick's Cathedral. We also did one going through Trump Tower as well, and one going through the Plaza. We got you covered no matter where you go. Now I feel like I'm in the subway. Really, really crowded here. I can tell you why. We're getting close to see the tree.
They don't want $20.
Just gotta ask someone else.
Hard to get through here.
That's the hardest road in school.
There we go. You made it. Made it through. There's the front of St. Patrick's. They say search Gary's Tours. You have a whole video going inside looking at the entire thing. That's Charles. Charlie Atlas. Symbol of Rockefeller Center, holding up the world. To our right is Rockefeller Center, which was really the first shopping center in this country.
They're going to the tree.
Literally right next to you.
So once again, if you don't like crowds, it's not the place to come. Get some stuff. Herds of people.
Isn't that crazy?
There's Saks for Platinum. And that's their famous sign. So all the people stop here. We can watch a little bit if you'd like. Sort of light show. Here's the people coming to see the tree, and there's the Rockefeller Center tree. The history of this is in 1934, when they finished building it, construction workers bought a tree about 6 foot tall and put it right where that tree is now.
Right.